Are you fed up with the daily hustle, trying to make ends meet whilst juggling multiple jobs? Trust me, you're not alone in the struggle. Shockingly, a whopping 58% of hardworking young Americans are stuck in a never-ending paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, all thanks to relentless rise in prices. But here's the real game changer. We've got the solution. Stick with us because we're not just going to talk about the problems. We're handing you 16 secret side hustles that can completely reshape your financial future. Let's kickstart your journey to financial freedom with freelance. Imagine being your own boss, setting your own hours, and working from the comfort of your own home. Websites like Upwork and Freelancer are your golden tickets. Freelancers often start at $10 to $20 per hour, but here's the kicker. With experience, you can skyrocket to earning $50 to $100 plus per hour. It's one of the best side hustle ideas to make money from home. So don't wait, give it a go now and take control of your financial destiny. Number 2, e-commerce. Ready to turn your passions into profits? E-commerce is where the magic happens. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy offer you a chance to be an online entrepreneur. Imagine making thousands of dollars per month or even up to millions annually. Yes, you heard that right, millions. It's one of the most effective ways how to make money online, and these Shopify stores have proven it is possible. For example, Asphalt is earning 25 million euros per year. Partake Foods is earning approximately $5 million per year, and Chubby's is earning $45 million a year. Number 3, tutoring. If you're an expert in a subject like math, science, English, and more, don't keep it to yourself. Become an online tutor on platforms like VIP Kid and Vizan. You can earn a cool $15 to $25 per hour or more simply by sharing your knowledge with eager learners. It's a fantastic way to work from the comfort of your home and earn some spare money. Your expertise is a gold mine waiting to be tapped. Number 4, virtual assistants. Virtual assistants is not just an option, it's a fantastic opportunity. Websites like Belay and Time, etc. can help you get started. Virtual assistants typically earn between $15 and $50 per hour, which can easily translate to an annual income of $20,000 to $60,000 or more. Imagine the freedom of working remotely while earning big. It's one of the top side hustles for extra money. Most of the tasks would include administrative and supportive services and individuals, helping with tasks such as smashing the like button, email management, appointment scheduling, data entry, research, and more. Number 5, YouTube channel. Have you ever dreamed of having your own YouTube channel? This is your chance to share your passion, gain subscribers, and start earning through ads and sponsorship. Successful YouTubers aren't just making a few bucks, they're pulling anywhere from $1,000 to $1 million per year. YouTubers like Gray Stefan, Mr. Beast, and PewDiePie have proven it is possible. This side hustle is one of the most exciting ways to work from home and make money. Number 6, crafting. Crafting isn't just a hobby, it's a money-making machine. Websites like Etsy and eBay can help you sell your handmade creations. Whether it's jewelry, art, or home decor, crafters are raking in hundreds of dollars per month, and some are hitting the jackpot with thousands per year. It's one of the top side hustles ideas to make money from the comfort of your home. Turn your creativity into a cash cow with crafting. Number 7, graphics designer. Calling all graphic designers, your talents are in high demand. Platforms like Behance and 99 Designs are your stages to shine. Graphic designers can earn anywhere from $20 to a jaw-dropping $100 per hour with experience. You could be pocketing 6 figures annually. It's one of the best side hustles for you if you are passionate about design and can use Photoshop. Number 8, video editor. Video editing is where the money's at. Whether it's for YouTubers, businesses, or filmmakers, your skills are pure gold. Websites like Fiverr and Freelancer Video Editing connect you with clients who are willing to pay top dollar for quality work. It's one of the best side hustles to do in your spare time, since you can do it when you have free time. Number 9, affiliate marketing. Imagine partnering with your favorite brands and making money while you sleep. That's what affiliate marketing offers. Websites like Amazon Associates and ShareASale give you the chance to promote products and earn commission. Your earnings are limited only by your marketing efforts. It's one of the top ways to make money from home and online. For example, you can create YouTube videos, blog posts, Facebook posts, Instagram posts, sharing your enthusiasm about your favorite toy, computer, or any other product and make money from your recommendation. Number 10, social media management. Social media isn't just a pastime. It's a thriving business. Learn how to boost businesses' online presence and get paid handsomely for it. Platforms like Hootsuite and Buffer can help you manage multiple clients efficiently and all from the comfort of your home. It's one of the top side hustles ideas to make money from home. Turn your scrolling addiction into a profitable career. Since you are already scrolling, make sure to scroll down and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Which side hustle have you tried? Number 11, online courses. If you're an expert in a niche, your knowledge is worth its weight in gold. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy and Teachable. Online course creators are cashing in big time, making anywhere from a few $100s, tens of thousands per month. It's one of the top ways to make money online and one of the best opportunities out there. Your expertise can be your biggest money maker. You can learn how to make a course on YouTube, and there are plenty of videos. So if you have a talent like playing the guitar, public speaking, being a great editor, and everything else you can think of, package it in a course and teach others. Number 12, niche blogging. Are you passionate about a specific niche or topic? Start a niche blog. Platforms like WordPress and Blogger let you share expertise and interest with the world. Over time, your blog can become a lucrative income source as you monetize it with ads, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing, all while lounging at home. It's one of the top side hustles for extra money because of the multiple sources of income that it can produce. Number 13, voiceover artist. Do you have a voice that's smooth as butter? Consider offering your services for voiceovers in commercials, podcasts, or videos. The world is hungry for captivating videos, and you can earn a pretty penny just by talking. It's one of the top side hustles for stay-at-home parents because you can take care of your child and do podcasts. Your voice can be your golden ticket to financial success. You can offer your services on freelancer.com and Fiverr. Number 14, virtual event planning. As more events move online, become a virtual event planner and coordinate webinars, conferences, and online parties. It's not just a job, it's a journey to become the master of ceremonies, and your paycheck will reflect that. Number 15, online language tutoring. Hola, are you fluent in a language? Teach it online to learners worldwide through online tutoring platforms like Itaki and Preply. Not only are you sharing your knowledge, meeting new people, but you're also filling your bank account with extra zeros. It's a great way to work from home and make money, as all you need is a computer with steady internet connection. And bonus, number 16, services. As the rise of podcasts and audiobooks rise, so does the demand for transcription jobs. You can offer services like transcribing audio files, interviews, or podcasts for clients who need accurate text records. If you speak multiple languages, you can combine your transcribing service with translation as well. Check out websites like rev.com and Transcribe Me to get started. There you have it, the 16 secret side hustles that can rescue you from the paycheck to paycheck grind. These aren't just opportunities, they're the keys to unlocking the life you always dreamed of. The time to take control of your financial destiny is now. So seize the opportunities, embrace your passions, and let's make your dreams a reality.